Next on The Young and the Restless.
You're not in the same league as the Abbotts or the Newmans, but when you like to be.
Napa police are asking for the public's help in finding 2 children who have been abducted. Police say 12-year-old Sarah Nunez and her brother, 11-year-old Robert, were taken about 6 o'clock Wednesday night. The suspect is 43-year-old Sherry Nunez. Police did not say how she is related to the children. Nunez is reportedly driving a silver Acura TL 4-door with a California license plate 4GNC253. It has a chrome fish emblem on the trunk. She's described as Caucasian with brown hair and hazel eyes. She's 5 feet 11 inches tall and weighs 175 pounds. 12-year-old Sarah is 5 feet 2 inches tall and 120 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes. 11-year-old Robert is 5'1", weighs 100 pounds. He has brown hair and blue eyes. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system.
Pictures present
Babysitter, huh?
the kid-friendly Vin Diesel. He's great at parties.
We're good.
And fun for the whole family.
Getting pretty attached.
He bit me.